What can we do when we really like something? Clone it, clone it, clone it. The other day I was telling you about this outfit I'm in love with. It's secondhand, a friend gave it to me and it's ever so comfy. I'm sure everyone has these trousers and they are really comfy. You just can wear them anywhere. So I'm going to recreate it using this marvelous fabric. I bought this before I got pregnant. I think I wanted to do a dress, but I want to make like a matching set, which I think is going to be really fun. But what is happening is that it's going to be 2 videos. Today I'm going to make the trousers and the other, well, I don't know when, I'll make the t-shirt. So let's leave it there for a while. So the trousers are going to be really easy to trace because I'm going to trace them like this. And then it's not going to be 4 panels, it's only going to be 2 because it's not going to have a side seam. We're going to fold the fabric in a way that we don't need a side seam, which is really easy because you can have them done in half an hour almost. And because the fabric is so nice, it's really nice to have them with no seam on the side. So it's a win-win and it's ideal for beginners because it has an elastic band on top, so no zips. If you're new around here, my name is Irene. I love doing all of this stuff, sewing decoration, upcycling like this one, or cloning like today. So if you like this kind of video, consider subscribing and that way you don't miss anything. And you can even share it with someone who might enjoy it and follow me on Instagram as well. Well, matchy sets are a must, and if you're comfortable, if you have an elastic band, if you can wear them to the park, to run some errands, or even if it's a nice fabric, go on a date, it's just the best. And now what we're going to do is the burrito method, which is really fun. We need one leg on the right side and one on the wrong side, because we need to face them together. So we're going to put the one with the right sides out inside the one with the wrong sides out, facing the seam, the inner seam we have. Where is it? Here. And that way we can sew the whole of the crotch line. The whole of the crotch line all at once, from back to front or from front to back. Have you heard or done the burrito method before? And of course, at this point, we make sure we're doing okay, just to see if we have to sit down and cry or if we can go on. Well, yeah, let's keep the camera up there so we don't get a a red flag or anything. And yes, we're going to try it on just to see before we zigzag stitch all this crotch line, so it's easy to make any changes. On the front bit, we're going to cut a little bit, just like the original, so it has a bit more of a shape. Oh, and now that I'm going over there again, I'm going to hem it because I already measure. I know the measurement is what I wanted. So I'm going to just make a simple hem because this doesn't seem to fray. It's something synthetic, so I don't think it'll fray, and that way it's less bulky. The hem looks really crisp. I'm going to press it and it's going to look amazing. And now the waistband. I always say it and I'm going to say it again. Measure yourself with the elastic band. Don't measure yourself with the measuring tape, and that is the measurement I cut because the elastic bands have different thicknesses. One is tighter, the other one is looser, and you never know. So measure yourself and cut that bit, and that way you won't you'll do it properly, not like me that I had it twisted. Well, there are different ways to sew an elastic band. You can thread it inside, you can sew just the top like we did and not the bottom, so it is like an invisible elastic band, like when you sew a bias skirt. That's really nice as well. And I really like this one because it's really comfy. Sometimes when you're wearing something, the elastic band twists, so this one is really secure and comfy. Well, let me know down in the comments what you thought. It's a really easy pair of trousers to do. And don't forget to subscribe and to give it a click to the bell so you don't miss the top I'm going to do for this matching lounge set, which is really comfy. Hola, hola, hola. Mejor. No para el vídeo. I'm so afraid to cut the microphone cable. Gosh.